In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove imported contacts from other Gmail accounts. If you've ever connected another email account to your Gmail or imported contacts from somewhere else, you might notice a bunch of names and email addresses you don't actually need. Over time, that can really clutter up your contact list and even confuse autocomplete when you're writing emails. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to safely find and remove those imported contacts using Google Contacts. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where the contacts were imported. You can double-check this in the top right corner by looking at the profile icon and switching accounts if needed. Once the page loads, you're now in Google Contacts, which is where Gmail pulls most of its contact information. Next, we need to locate the imported contacts. On the left side, you'll see different sections and labels. Look for a section called Other Contacts. This is where Google often stores addresses that came from past messages or imports, even if you never saved them manually. Also, pay attention to any labels that might have been created during the import process. For example, imports sometimes arrive under a dedicated label or group name. Click on Other Contacts or on any label that looks related to your imported list to see all of those entries. Now that you're viewing the contacts you want to remove, it's time to select and delete them. Move your mouse over a contact's name and you'll see a small checkbox appear on the left. Click that checkbox to select it. You can select multiple contacts this way or use the checkbox at the very top to select all contacts in the current view. Once you've made your selection, look towards the top of the page for the 3 vertical dots, often labeled as More Actions. Click on that and then choose Delete or Move to Trash. Confirm the action if Google asks you to. This sends those contacts to the trash but doesn't permanently erase them just yet. To finish cleaning things up, go over to the Trash section on the left menu. Click it to open and you'll see the contacts you just removed. If you're sure you no longer need any of them, click Empty Trash. Confirm when prompted. This permanently deletes the contacts, keeping your Gmail contact list tidy and up to date.